right, deep breath in, let it all out. Good. That's the one. That was a good one. So the knots were here the most, so let's make sure to get that again. So get right on here.
Okay.
Right on there. And then we'll get the old spot too. Perfect. Okay, let's turn these up. Let me know when they're good.
Okay. Ooh, feel that one.
Yeah, you feel it contracting there. Tell me if when it's a good amount or if it's too much.
Okay. Feels good still.
Yeah, that's a max. And you can see it contracting. So now let's try this one. You see the contractions.
Oh yeah.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. So now let's turn this on. So this is going to heat and massage at the same time.
Awesome.
All right, so we have a sprained hamstring with some bruising. We're gonna scrape it out and break up some of those knots and adhesions that have formed, prevents the scarring, and hopefully give him some more relief. And then we're gonna hit him with some heat and stim after this. So just let me know if it's too much, okay?
Okay.
I feel a knot here. Is that? Do you feel this?
Yeah.
And
Not
then,
too bad.
what about up here? How do you feel that?
That feels pretty normal.
It's a lot better than last time.
That's good.
You feel this?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, right there.
Yeah.
This is it, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. You could like see the bump. See how we go over that? There you go. So it is a lot down here now.
Oh.
They're all last time you were here was here.
Yeah.
Now it's all down
I wonder
here.
if it's from walking, like it stretched a ligament or something.
Something happened where it moved down. Oh, it's tight. There he goes. Doing okay?
Yeah.
It's opening up, which is great. There it goes. Yeah, it's a lot better. That was a lot better.
Awesome.
All right, let's do your adjustments now. All right, deep breath in, let it all out. Relax your head for me. Good. That's the one. Okay, on your back, face up. Not bad. Good. Okay, on your side facing me this way, please. Right there. Good. Same thing on the side. Great. And then on your back, face up, and get your ankles, and that should help with the hamstrings, yeah. Yeah, perfect. That was a good one. All right, brother. Let's have you get up. Walk around, see how it feels.
Definitely feel a little lighter. I think that like strain every time I've been walking
Uh-huh.
is feeling less like impactful. Like it feels better.
Okay, good.
Wow. There's that initial sting from the scraping, so I guess we'll see once it goes down. But
Yeah.
yeah, definitely a little lighter, a little less painful than it just was like an hour ago.
Perfect. Good to hear.
Thank you.
Got it.